Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to film the week of Easter here for 2020, and I am going to use my favorite shop, which is TwoLilBees. It's not springtime here in Australia, but it's a very fitting kit because of all of the bunnies and the eggs, and it's a resurrection sort of celebration, so I think it's still valid. And so the kit is this, comes with this 3 extra full boxes. Comes with this mini deco sheet with your flags and some deco. And here you have your full boxes and the half boxes, quarter boxes here at the bottom. You have your beautiful washi with your headers, some flags and some washi strips or washi headers. And then you have your functional sheet with the habit trackers, some checklists, some washi strips, this time washi strips, a board kind of full box, some half boxes, some quarter boxes, and some labels. So that's what we're going to use as a kit. And I will be pulling my sticker book with my Coffee Monsterz Co collection, because nothing goes better with TwoLilBees than Coffee Monsterz. So I hope you enjoy, and happy Easter in advance, and let's do this. So we're going to start by whiting out all of the lines on my sidebar. I use that as a decoration piece on my spreads, so that's why I white out the lines, because otherwise the washi, sometimes even the strips can be see-through. So I do that, and I also white out all of the date covers a little bit later. And I put down the washi. The kit came with a washi strip, so I used that, and I also complemented it with a Simply Gilded washi. I think Irene calls it icing, and it's on pink with gold foil. And I think that the artwork for this kit is absolutely beautiful. It's fantastic. I did have a little bit of a which one do I use moment, but I decided to go with the icing because I think it matched, and it just gave the spread a little bit of more humph, so to speak. So you can see that it's really gorgeous. I also white out the dates or the days of the week on this insert, on this spread, because I used the Simply Gilded perforated washi days of the week, and they are in gold and pink as well, so I think it matched and complemented the kit. The kit didn't come with date covers. I also used rose-colored days date dots, perforated date dots, as the numbers that you will see on the spread, because it's just better handwritten than my own handwriting, and it's easier, so I just put the date dots. And I think that the black really brought the spread alive. If it was a gold, it would be just, I don't know, I think it would just blend in, and I didn't want that to happen. So I think the black was a good choice, if I may say so. I did put the dates incorrectly. I think I edited it out, but I did put the dates incorrectly. So I was like, to the end of the week, I'm like, oh, it's not the 12th, that's wrong. But yeah, there we go. So then I had to correct all of them, and the good thing about the date dots from rose colored days is that they are removable, including from washi, so that was really good. It really easy. If it had been foiled stickers, I would have to use undo, and that would be, anyway, would be a hassle. So I think that they look absolutely adorable, as you can see, and I start my spread by choosing my full boxes. I decided to use, the first one was the cute little lace. I think it was just a compliment for the washi side banner. And then I used headers this time because I don't have a lot going on, so I'm using headers. I'm gonna start using more headers. And I used the um, decorative one for on top of the full boxes, and then to-dos and todays across the spread in a um, alternate mode. I can't speak today, sorry guys. Anyway, I put down all of my full boxes, all of my banners, all of my headers, sorry, and I chose the cute Easter for Sunday because it was the best matching one, and all of the bunnies and eggs for Friday, Saturday, and of course the Easter for Sunday. So that was a cute arrangement, if I may say so. The kit came with a little coffee mug deco, and I put that, of course, on my Monday because Mondays, although here it was um, it was cold and I wanted a cocoa, but I drank coffee anyway. And this spread could not be more perfect if I haven't chosen the icons that I did. I chose emojis from the Coffee Monsterz Co because nothing goes better with a TwoLilBees kit than emojis, in my opinion. And I had to use all of them. So I put down the work ones throughout the week, throughout the spread, and they match absolutely perfect. And this time I also used um, the scripts from Helen from the Coffee Monsterz Co to mark down the work because, and most of all of the other scripts, because her handwriting is just perfection, as you know. And if you don't, check the Coffee Monsterz Co because they are absolutely fantastic. Helen is an inspiration. Anyway, I put down all of my work stickers and I move to the basics of, okay, I know that this goes where it goes. So, as you can see, I worked until Thursday because Friday, of course, was Good Friday. And that was a really good week, actually, considering, isolation and all that. So on the Monday, I put down a flag to mark down that I needed to give meds to my dog. I did a half box to mark that I needed to walk the dog as well. Magnus needed to have some meds for 21 days, so we're still doing that. And I put down a little emoji to mark down that I wanted to catch up on my planners. On Tuesday, besides work, there was a sale from Rose Colored Days, so I put down a quarter box with the sale script from the Coffee Monsterz Co, of course. And on my to-do list on that day, I had burgers for lunch. It was really good to cook burgers for lunch. So I put down a little doodle, a plate, fork, and spoon or knife doodle from the Coffee Monsterz Co. I also put down a quarter box below that with a little deco from the kit, is a little potted plants to remind myself that I wanted to water my plants that day. And I found a sampler from Helen that had this little drinks emoji or drinks doodle. And I noticed that I don't have a lot of drinks icons because I don't drink a lot. So we had a happy hour I had a happy hour with some friends from work, mostly the executive assistants from the other directors. So we had a happy hour. And I also completed that awkward space there with a washi strip from the kit. Moving on to Wednesday, I did a half box with a few to-dos that I needed to do that day. So I called my mom. My niece was a little bit sick and that was upsetting. And I believe that she will be going into full quarantine in the sense that she needs to be isolated from everyone. I also put down a little background on that header and 3 checklist bows from the kit to mark down things that I needed to purchase that day. And I purchased a Morton that day. I blame Bridge Plans for the inspiration. Then it was midnight and I marked that down. Moving on to Thursday, I put a half box for my grocery shopping with the cute emoji with the shopping trolley. I put down the very tired deco bunny to mark down that I needed to walk Magnus. A half box to mark down what I wanted to catch up on my planner, and I decorated with a little planner from the kit, and also an emoji to mark down that I wanted to water my plants. As you can see, I'm changing the bunny because I alternate my icons. Moving on to Friday, I put down the bunny again for a day off that I had because it was Good Friday, like I said. Then I put down the header to do and a 3 bow checklist from the kit of things that I wanted to do around the house, which were dishes, vacuum the house, clean the bathroom, stuff like that. I put down a little basket, egg basket from the kit to mark that I wanted to bake a cake. I don't bake very often, but it was really good to bake and really relaxing. And another flag from the kit to mark down that I wanted to upload a plan with me that day. Moving on to Saturday, I did my checklist with the bow checklist. I needed to edit my Erin Condren plan with me that will come very soon, next Wednesday. Hit the subscription and the bell icon to be notified. I also reorganized my washi that day. It was crazy. I did some laundry, and Simply Gilded was having new releases, so I used the script from Helen to mark that down. And I did my nails. I mean, they're not perfect by far, but I did paint my nails, which was good. Easter I marked down with the egg, and then I had to clean the litter trays that I have, so I put down 2 icons. Scoop the Poop is my favorite. I also filmed a plan with me that day, which is this one you're looking at. Watching, I did my planning, and I also ate a hot cross bun as a treat. That's it, guys. This is the spread, and it looks absolutely adorable. The icons from the Coffee Monsterz Co really made it so pretty. And I also used Helen's hand lettering scripts because her handwriting is much better than mine, of course. And this is the before the pen. So you have Tuesday, Wednesday here. You have Thursday and Friday. And finally Saturday and Sunday, and I think it looks absolutely adorable. So I'm gonna write everything down and I'll be back with you on how this looks when it's inside my planner. Stay tuned. And here's the final spread, guys. I think it's so cute. My handwriting, of course, ruined it, all of it, but that's okay. I love the colors. They are really pastel, but they are really matchy, and the kit itself is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy that I purchased it when I did, and of course the Coffee Monsterz Co just makes it even prettier. So you have the first half of the spread, and then you have the second half. A few things that I didn't show in the beginning of this video was I used the Simply Gilded perforated days of the week washi, and I also used my trusted Rose Color Days date dots. So I'll zoom you in or bring it closer so you can see how that looks. So that gold foil, and this is just a little date dot perforated washi tape, and it works really nicely. I think that this spread is missing a little bit more gold, but I didn't want to go all crazy on the foil, so that's why I didn't do it. But I think it looks very nice. I'm very happy with the result. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. All the links are down at the description below. And I hope you have a fantastic Easter. I hope you enjoy your time with your family, and
wash your hands, stay safe, stay sane, and remember that I love you lots. Bye guys!